What is up, guys? So this video was originally going to be about aging and getting old. As you can tell, there's no denying it. I got a gray beard. But as I got out here and started walking the park, I started enjoying the spirit of it, thanking the gods. So join me as we walk the park and get out there and worship the gods out in the open. You know, too many people just do it at home. They don't actually get out, actually thank the gods for what we have. As I said, you may hear it later in the video, but it's sad that people live from four walls to the next four walls. They'll wake up in their homes, get in their cars, go to work, go to the store, go to a movie, and then come home and do the same thing again. They don't get to see this. So this is actually the end of the video where I am at right now. So stay tuned to see where I'm at as we worship and honor the gods in the elements. See you guys. So when you find me in my spare time, not at home, you will always find me in the park. So I'm actually at a new park today, actually close to the town that I live in now. You've seen me in parks before, so we are about 30 minutes, give or take, from where I used to live and where we are living now. And I thought this would be a good place to do a video today. So one of the Delphic maxims that is part of that list is to accept age. And you accept age if you want to live happy. And as you see, I'm starting to get gray. So as the gray fills my beard and my hair, of what hair I have left, you have to accept your age, that youth is fleeting, as the famous quote says. I'm still healthy, I'm still good, but as this beard grew out, I noticed this streak right here. So it had me thinking on life, in the peace this spirituality has given me. You know, you're always told in life that peace can only be found in the one you're born in, whether that is Christianity, X, Y, or Z. They say that everything else is false peace. But I'll tell you that ever since I have found the spirituality I'm at now, there has been nothing but peace. It's been a learning experience, learning how to do certain things, and learning the ancient ways, plus learning how to adapt it into modern times. But I can tell you this, that there is peace in it, that I go to sleep happy, you know, spiritually fulfilled. There is no empty hole in my soul, as like people used to say all the time. But yeah, so I thought it'd be a good place to do a video, is this park. So yeah, let's talk about that today. So let's try something different today that I don't usually do. We're going to do a walk and talk so you can see the pretty forest of this park as we talk today. So yeah, just as the sun shines, it's how it feels in the life of somebody that has found their spiritual home. Hail to you, Helios, lighting the world. So yeah, that's what a Hellenic Polytheism is. It's finding peace in spirituality and with no thought of the afterlife and worrying about what I'm doing is going to affect where I'm going, because there is no fear about that. I thought it might be prettier to look at the forest instead of my face all the time, so we're going to take a walk again and just reflect on nature. So in this park you can really feel the energy of Pan, the hunting spirit of Artemis. And that's life as a Hellenic polytheist. It's living life to honor the gods and people and actually enjoying life without the fear of doing something wrong to endanger anything. Life is supposed to be as beautiful as what you're seeing right here. You see birds, you see insects. They're living life happy, only worrying about where their food is coming from. Nothing other than that. So yeah, this is a new park. I'm just a happy guy living in his element. Oh, look at this. So life is about living, not worrying about anything that it concerns with what's coming after. And whenever you think on that, that's whenever you have peace in your life. Squirrels playing. So yeah, when you lose that baggage, when you lose that fear, there is freedom. Because you can live life and enjoy it. You don't have to feel guilty about doing certain things. Because tomorrow's another day, and you just get up and start again. So this does have to do with growing old, because the older you get, the closer death gets to you. You know, you start realizing your own mortality. And it gets you thinking about a lot of things. And I'm happier now, I've said it in a few videos, but I'm happier now as a Hellenist, Hellenic Polytheist, than I was ever in any other spirituality. Because there's peace. You have peace with man, living to be the best person you can be. You have peace with the gods, honoring the gods, and you have a relationship with the gods. And there is no fear. There's only life. So you know me, I go down the trail less taken. So I actually got off of the road walking trail, and I'm actually down one of the dirt paths. So let's see where it heads, because there's always an adventure when you don't know where you're going. Hail to you, great and mighty Pan. I thank you that you watch over this forest and its creatures. And the creatures are bountiful. I hear them all over the woods. With Helios in the sky, it's a beautiful day. Again, this is how we should see life. Getting out and enjoying life. It's always sad when people live in four walls and they die in four walls. They go from their house to their job, to the store, back to their house, and they only get outside to get to their car, and they miss out on all this. And you end up getting my age and older and realize, what have I seen and done? Even if you can't get out to a park, but can go out to a street, down your street, just a walk and get out. It's beneficial beyond words. It's so warm and green, you wouldn't think it was a fall day. Check this out. It is a creek crossing. Do I dare? Beautiful. Help us sight in the depths of this creek, this river. How to you, great gods, that watch over this. Hail to you, nature spirits. Got one more. Sound like Link on Legend of Zelda. Every time I jump. Check it out. And this is where Pennywise lives. You guys didn't know that, did you? So let's actually go look in here. No trolls. No clowns. And I think we're good. Hail to you, great gods, again, and I thank you. Thank you for this beauty, great Aphrodite. You know, guys, that Aphrodite is not just the goddess of beauty, but also the goddess of anything beautiful, so we can thank her for this beauty as well. Hail to the Theoi, the gods of Olympus. And our friend Arachne's up here. That's going to be your name now. I'm going to look for her every time I come over here. Not forever, obviously, but for the next few days. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Getting out in nature and in worshiping and thanking the gods. I think this is my favorite spot now. Thinking we could do something right here one day. All these flat rocks. It's not too far of a walk. Hail to the gods. And I thank you guys for watching. Just when I think I'm out, they pull me back in. So I just wanted to show you one more thing before we end this video. I was walking this trail and look what I found over here. It's an old chimney. So hail to you, great Hestia, goddess of home and hearth. I thank you for keeping us warm even then. And one blessings to you, great goddess. Isn't that cool? Just more things you don't get to see if you don't ever go out.